Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. Today's video is my Boxycharm unboxing. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm only trying out some of the products on my face because I'm going to be doing a giveaway today. So today's video, I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows. I'm going to go in with my concealer next, and the reason why is because we received these 3 crown brushes in our Boxycharms this month. I was really excited because we have had these brushes sent to us before, not this exact one, but I've been really loving the brush for this brand. The theme of the box this month is Galaxy Glow. So cute how they always do this. And they leave a little bit of a description on the back of the box. If you guys don't know, this box costs $21 a month, and you get like $140 worth of makeup in it usually. So that's pretty cool. So for these brushes, it's a 3-brush duo, and it's 1 to contour, 1 to conceal imperfections under the eyes, and a medium brush to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeters of the face. The large powder brush is to use to set everything in place. So for today, I'm going to go in with this medium-sized brush that we got. I wish that they had names on the packaging. That's the only thing. Like, I'd rather they have it like that, but that's okay, not a big deal. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I will leave everything down below that I use for products. But I'm going to try to use this brush to blend out my concealer, and then I'll use the bigger one to set everything down. I'm also curious whether or not it's going to work for bronzer, so I'm going to be doing that today too. Impressed by how well this blended out my concealer, so I'm happy about that. I didn't think I was going to be disappointed because these brushes are typically really nice. I'm really loving the brand. I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focused Pressed Powder to set the under eyes with. This is one of my favorite setting powders. Typically I'll use the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder, but when I'm not using a loose powder, this is the pressed one that I always go in with. So I'm going to take that big fluffy brush and just use that to set down my concealer. Brush seemed really nice for that. I'm just going to clean it off real quick, and then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. I'm going to go in with the Pyper Bronze and Brighten palette that we actually got in another Boxycharm. If you guys haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. But this is one of my favorite palettes because I'm obsessed with the highlighter, but it also has a bronzing shade that's kind of, I don't know, kind of luminous, I guess. It is, there's a bit of shimmer to it, but I'm going to try to see how it looks with this. If you go in with a light hand, this is really nice to use with bronzer just to like warm up the cheeks. I mean, that seemed to work well. It was just, I went in a little too heavy-handed with it at first. But yeah, this seems really nice, and I like that you can use it for multiple purposes. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with that same palette, and I'm just going to use that middle highlighter there. You guys know, if you've seen my other video, I absolutely love this highlight. It is one of my favorites. I just went in with a little blush with my stippling brush. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, you should. I just made a video on all my Real Techniques brushes, and that's what I just used to apply my blush with, if you guys were curious. I'm not going to go in with this brush today, but honestly, I am not going to use this brush for like, to blend out concealer. I just don't like brushes that are like this small to do it with. I'm actually going to be using this for a flat shader brush. So yeah, another product we got in the box with this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I was pretty excited about this. I think it's a cool product, and it's not something that I necessarily own right now either. It's like a liquid eyeshadow. I swatched it on my hand already, and it dried down like really quickly. So I'm going to try to blend that out and then do the rest of my makeup. So yeah, that went on really easily. I think it is kind of pretty. It's just very different from anything that I own, which is always cool though, because I don't know, sometimes you just don't think to buy certain makeup products. I've been kind of wanting to play around with some liquid eyeshadow, so I think this is a good start. Cover FX is a really good brand. I've gotten a couple of things from them and I've absolutely loved it. Not really sure what eyeshadow look I'm going to go for, but I'm just going to figure out something. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills because I just felt like the colors would really go well with this. We got in the box was this Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Pencil, which retails for $21. The only thing about this is that if you guys notice it, the pencil got a little destroyed in the box and there was like eyeliner kind of all over everything at first. I'm just going to use that on my waterline on the top, but I wasn't too happy about the fact that it came broken. Honestly, I would have put it in the giveaway today if it hadn't been for the fact that it was broken. So yeah, I just added a little bit to the top line. I don't really like to do anything too dark with my eyeliner. I'll do winged eyeliner, but I don't usually use those that much. I'm not going to make a big deal about the fact that it kind of came broken because it's not Boxycharm's fault. It was obviously happened during shipping, and it's literally the only problem that I've ever had, and it's not that big of a deal. It was just smudged a little bit. The cap broke off and whatever. It didn't make that bad of a mess. It's just not that big of a deal to me. I'm just going to finish up my lips real quick and then I'll get to the giveaway with you guys. Okay guys, so now I'm going to get to the giveaway. There was 2 more things in this box, but I'm not going to swatch them because I want to incorporate it in the giveaway today. It's kind of what inspired it in the first place. It just felt like, I just figure I have enough highlighters and stuff like that, and it's like, I don't need everything I get all of the time. I just felt like I would rather give something back to you guys for watching my channel and supporting me. So the next thing that I got in the box was this Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter palette. So I'm going to open it up real quick just to show you guys, but I'm not going to be swatching it today. They have some really beautiful holographic shades in there. I'm sure they're going to be a great highlight. I'm just not going to swatch them because, like I said, I want to give it away, so I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to put it back in the packaging. So as part of the giveaway, I'm doing this holographic palette. It retails for $39.99. Says there's 6 stunning holographic shades. So the next thing in the box that's also going to be part of the giveaway is this Per Cosmetics Lip Plumping Lip Exfoliator. It just looks like this, comes in a little silver tube. I'm not going to touch this either. It retails for $17. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway. I set these things aside to give away. It's the KNC Beauty Collagen Lip Masks. They look like this. There's 3 of them. They retail for $15. I just figured since this is a Boxycharm video that I would do a Boxycharm giveaway. The only extra thing that I've included in here is this Eyelure Naturals multi-pack with 2 eyelashes in it. And it comes with an applicator and glue. I just thought this would be nice just to incorporate in the giveaway box today. So yeah, these are all the things that's going to be in the giveaway today. I'm trying out this new website to do my giveaway with. So I'll leave the link for it down below, and I'll also post it on Twitter. You guys can enter daily from now up until the end of the month, and every time you enter, you can get extra points. There's like things that you can do to get extra points, and the more points you have, the more likely you are to win. And that way, that website picks out the winner. You know, I just feel like, I guess it's more fair that way. You know, if you guys want to put in extra entries, you can. Yeah, once the winner's picked, I will contact you guys either on Twitter or YouTube. However you guys want me to contact you, just let me know in the comments down below. Also, I'll also update the description box to let you guys know when the giveaway has been closed and who the winner was. Be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what videos you guys want to see coming up because I'm going to be planning out next month's videos soon. I've got a lot of great ideas, but I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the content that you want to see. So yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!